Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build out a WhatsApp bot which can actually automatically send messages for you using a Flask web application. So for this we are using this API. I have given the link in the description of this video. So first of all you just need to create a free account here. After creating a free account you can log in with your Google account and then it will grant you with 150 messages, free messages. You can try out this free API. It will give you 150 messages and it will give you your token as well. I have already created this, so this will be your token. So just link with your own. I've already linked in with my mobile number, WhatsApp number, so you just need to link it and just create a simple channel. So I am there inside this. So let me build out a Flask app. So let me just show you the application that we will be building here. So this will be a simple web application which will actually contain this two input fields where you will write the number and actually the message, and there is a send button out there. So it's actually a web application. As you can see, it is running on localhost, and here you will input the number of the user to which you are sending out the message, so followed by the message. And now as I click the send button, you will basically see it will make the response to the API, and the response will be returned to us message sent. And if I show you WhatsApp web, you will see this message is automatically sent to this phone number. As you can see, it's a WhatsApp bot. So we input the number, we input the actual message that needs to be sent. So again, if I repeat this and again if I click send here, you will see again the message will be sent automatically. You will see that. So it's a simple WhatsApp bot kind of a application inside Flask. I will show you how to get started here step by step. So first of all, just create a simple account here. I've already created this. Log in with your Google account and it will give you this 150 free messages. So after that, you need to create a Flask application. So all the source code I have given in the description of the video. So first of all, just make a simple app.py file, and after that you need to import the Flask from that import Flask, and the request module and the JSONify, and also render template. And then we also need the request module as well to actually make the request to the API. And then we'll be initializing the new Flask app like this. And then here we need to specify the API token. So this API token, it will be giving. So simply copy this from here. Once you create the account, the token will be assigned to you. So you need to use the token. After that, we will have this hook here, which will be. I have given all this script in the description of the video. So if you need the full script, the link is given in the description. You can directly copy paste the full overall script. So inside this webhook, we will be listening for all the messages which will be coming. So data request JSON. So this is essentially we are listening. It's kind of a hook where we are listening for any sort of messages which will be coming right here inside this hook. So received message. So if someone sends you a message, then this will be printed out. But for this application, we just need a simple index.html file where we allow the user to input the message. So here we are loading this index.html. So right in the templates folder in the flags, we will create this index.html file, and right here we will allow the user to having a simple form where inside the form we will have two input fields for entering the phone number and actually the actual message, and we have will be having a button. So this will be a simple form. If I try to run the application now by going to localhost, so now it will look something like this. This is will be a form. So when you submit the form right here, we just need to write, make a simple fetch request, a post request. So write in the JavaScript just after the body. So right here we are making this post request a fetch request slash send. It's a post request, so we are sending this data, which is these to and body. So now we just need to make this post request inside your Python file. So right in this post request inside slash send, just after this we are getting the data that is submitted through the form here, to body everything, and then now we are calling this function which is send response. So now we just need to define this function which is send response, which will get executed, which will be responsible for sending the WhatsApp message. So send response and to and body. So right here we're making a simple request to the API, HTTPS GET. So we will be providing the payload, which will be the two values, the two, and then we also be passing the headers which will contain the API token, and then our response will be sent. So as soon as the response is sent, our message will also be sent like this. So this completes the application. So if I just show you the application now, if I enter a 10-digit mobile number, then I enter my message, click on send, you will see message will be sent, and if I check now, you will see your message is successfully sent. So in this way guys, you can build out a simple WhatsApp web bot, kind of a bot, where you can actually send messages automatically using this API. So first of all, you need to create an account here. It will give you 150 free messages, and after that you just need to subscribe to their API to get more messages. As you can see, I've used up 6 messages out of 150. So when you sign up, you will get this free token, free messages as well. So there is some limitations to it as well, so you can upgrade it if you want the unlimited access. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.